brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. What type of sentence is this? Yeah. This is like one of my jokes. What has 3 eyes and a remote control? My ass. Yeah. So, quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. Yeah. With some TP for my bunghole. So, what am I reading? This? Okay. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy... Oh my god! What the man? What is that? That's not a dog! That's like... I don't know what the hell that is. What is that? Go on! We gotta go get the Dragon Balls! I need that notification of this thing! I don't know what it is! It's ugly! No, it's not a dog! It can't be a dog! Look at it! It's not a dog! So, the quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. Hey Vegeta! Why was it a brown fox? What? I read it wrong? It says brown fox. No, Vegeta, it says brown fox. I'm looking at it. Come here. Look. It says brown fox. I'm telling you. It says brown fox. Give me the damn thing, Nappa. The quick brown fox jumped over... Oh, I'll be damned. It does say brown fox. Huh. Okay. You're wrong, Nappa. You're wrong. Fuck you. Oh, what? I'm supposed to read that? Fine. Give it back. Let me see this. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. There, Merry Christmas. Can I go home now? Really? Can I go? I don't even want to be here. And you realize that I have to read this now. You put this in front of me, I have to read it. It's kind of what I do. Fine, I'll read it. Oh, you meant out loud. Well, that's a whole nother story now, isn't it? The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog like a prick.